Okay, there's a problem here out of the textbook regarding the height of you got a river that runs through here. You got a tower of some kind here. They call it height h, and they say that the distance between these 2 points is d, and they tell you that this is a right angle. And I assume that the tower is standing straight up, so those are right angles as well. This is a 3D thing here that this is the ground down here, and then this is standing up perpendicular to the ground, standing up. Okay, and so you got to determine a relationship between h and d. Essentially, calculate h if you know alpha, beta, and d. So alpha is this angle, beta is that angle. So the thing that I do is I kind of work this backwards a little bit, in that if I knew h and alpha, I can use some trig to find this length here, right? So for instance, let's call that length x. So tangent of alpha is h divided by x, right? So I can solve for x. X is h divided by the tangent of alpha. I can write it that way, or I can write it as h times the cotangent alpha. Likewise over here, let's call this side length y, from here down to there. And I have a similar relationship in that the tangent of beta, opposite over adjacent side. So the tangent of beta is h divided by y, and I can find h. No, I can find y. I said h divided by y. There we go. I can find y as y equals, I'm multiplying by that, then divide by this, h divided by the tangent of beta. So this is h times the cotangent of beta. So the thing is, I know this side, and this side. Pythagoras, because this is a right angle, I can use the Pythagorean theorem to get a relationship that x squared plus y squared equals d squared. Then you can plug these things in, because you know what x is, you know what y is. And the idea is you want to solve for h. Each of these involves h. So I'll let you finish it from there, but that's the idea, in that because well, if you knew h, you could calculate this length. If you knew h, you could calculate this length. Once you've got these three as a relationship, that gives you the relationship between h and d, which you can then just solve for h. Okay. If you need more help than that, then just make another post and we'll do some more.